Have you ever thought that with just a single still image, you could turn it into a dynamic, cinematic quality video with smooth motion, natural lighting, and film like visuals? No filming, no editing, no post production skills needed. Just a few lines of text and the most advanced AI video generator available today can turn your words, photos, or even ideas in your head into a real video within minutes. You can create YouTube content videos without recording yourself, turn product images or AI photos into short motion clips for TikTok or Reels ads, generate cinematic videos from your own selfies, like short movie scenes, or make review, affiliate, or tutorial videos entirely from a prompt. And here's the crazy part. This AI tool is completely free, unlimited, watermark free, and the quality beats most paid tools out there. But wait, I'll show you a secret trick to use this AI video tool without any limits. Watch till the end to discover how to get unlimited video generation with no watermark, no restrictions, and zero cost. Don't forget to subscribe to Market Vibe AI, where you'll discover the latest AI tools that help you create faster, work smarter, and earn more. Here's how simple it is. First, go to Google AI Studio, the official AI tool from Google. You'll find the link in the description, and I've also pinned it in the top comment for easy access. Click on Chat. You'll see all the experimental features currently available. In this tutorial, we'll explore the video generation feature. So choose Video, then select VEO2. On the right side, you'll see the default settings: video quantity, aspect ratio, and resolution. You can leave them as they are. Next, click the plus icon to upload an image, or use one from Google AI Studio's library. Let's upload an image of a cat, for example. Now, use ChatGPT to write a motion prompt for that cat. For example, create a short, funny, and cute Pixar-style or realistic AI video based on an image of an orange cat wearing a white apron, standing in a modern kitchen, holding a knife and chopping green peppers. The tone should feel like a cooking vlog from a professional cat chef, humorous, warm, and playful. Paste the prompt into the description box in VEO. Select 16 by 9 for YouTube or 9 by 16 for TikTok and Reels. Hit run, wait a few seconds, and boom, your video is generated automatically, perfectly smooth, ultra sharp, and completely watermark free. By default, your account only has 10 credits, 10 videos. But if you want unlimited videos, here's the secret. Go to Google and search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. Open Google Skills, switch to your preferred language. I'll use English here. In the search bar, type tour, then select a tour of Google Cloud Hands-On Labs. Under Get Access to 700 plus labs and courses, click Sign In or Join if you haven't yet. Sign in with your Google account. Click Start Lab. This gives you a temporary Gmail account. Copy the username and password. Use that Gmail to log back into Google AI Studio. It's valid for about 45 minutes, which gives you time to generate another 10 videos. Then repeat the process whenever you want, meaning you can create unlimited AI videos for free. With this method, you can turn product images into short promotional videos, create animated visuals for YouTube content, make reels or shorts in just minutes. If you're doing affiliate marketing or AI content creation like me, this is a game changer, helping you produce videos 10 times faster while keeping top-tier quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Market Vibe AI, where we share the best AI tools to help you create smarter, save time, and grow your online income. See you in the next video.